Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling the accounting app and confirming the fiscal year and chart of accounts. This matters because opening balances post to those ledgers. Once done, create a dedicated opening balance journal and note its journal code so imports map correctly. Next, prepare a UTF-8 CSV with columns account code, date, debit, credit, partner, and label. This file is your source of truth. Make sure numbers use decimals and dates match Odoo format. If not, imports will fail. You now import the CSV through Accounting Journal Items Import. Choose the opening balance journal during mapping so all lines post correctly. During field mapping, align account code to account, debit and credit to amounts, and date to entry date. This prevents misallocated balances. Once mapped, preview the import to scan for errors and type mismatches. Correct any partner or account codes before proceeding. After a clean preview, execute the import and watch for success messages. This creates draft journal items ready for validation. You finish by validating the imported journal entries and posting them to the ledger so balances reflect in reports. Once posted, reconcile bank, receivable, and payable lines against opening records. If you find a discrepancy, create an adjusting entry dated on the opening date. Then run a trial balance and balance sheet to confirm that assets equal liabilities plus equity. If numbers still don't match, check account codes and CSV formatting first. Most problems stem from bad mapping or date format. Correct and re-import if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.